church way.
Thank God it's not flooding over here right now. Other than that other reservoir down by West Little York.